Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's episode of Matthew's Guyanese Cooking, I'm going to be sharing an unboxing video for you guys. Now recently a company called WaterSong sent me one of their awesome faucets and I wanted to share with you guys exactly what's in here and what it looks like. And this is what the box looks like on the outside. Now before I open up the box and show you guys what exactly is in there, I just wanted to tell you guys a little bit more about this company and this product. So WaterSong is a company that sells a wide range of high quality faucets. Of course, these are faucets that fit in your kitchen for your kitchen sinks. And some specs about this one in particular is that it has a 3-spray mode. So you'll have a stream mode, a shower spray mode, or a sweep mode. Another part of this design is the high arc smart design. And what this is referring to is the actual curve of the faucet and the way of the angle when you pull out the actual piece of the hose to shoot it around in the sink. So I'll be showing you guys what that looks like when I open this box. So I just want to thank WaterSong for sending me this faucet and letting me do this unboxing for you guys. If you need this kind of faucet or something like this, you can check out their brand on Amazon. I'm going to be leaving their link in the description box down below this video. All you have to do is click right below the video. There will be a drop-down menu and all of the links will be right there as soon as you open it. So make sure you check that out and give this product a try if you are interested. Alright guys, so this is what the box looks like as I showed you before. It comes in a really nice slim box, so when it's fitting in the mail, you won't be getting a very big and bulky box. So I'm just going to open it up and show you guys exactly how this is packaged. And as soon as you open it up, you're going to get a little bit of a warranty card. And this is just talking about how you have a 2-year extended warranty if you buy this product. And then of course you have your instructions card and the manual and the items that are included. So I really like that this company packs their products very well. As you guys can see, it's properly padded, so this way nothing gets damaged in the mail. And as you guys can see, it's also padded on the inside. And again, this way nothing gets dented or damaged or scratched while it's in transit. So the first thing that you're going to see right here is the faucet body. I'm just going to pull that out for you guys. Now this is where all the hoses are, all of the connections that go under your kitchen sink. You have your lever here to pull, and it's nice and loose. With the proper grip, of course. It is not too loose, but it's also not too tight. Very easy to handle and work around. And this right here is the hose you can pull in and out. As you guys can see, that part works right here. And this is what you would do after you install this. And the shower head right here has the 3 different modes, as I had mentioned. It has the regular spray mode with the straight stream of water. It has the shower mode, and it also has a sweep or a broom mode, which is almost like in a triangle manner. So that's really great that you have the different modes of this faucet. So this way, when you're washing certain things or you want to do certain things in your kitchen sink, you have different modes for that. And of course, the lever right here does all of that. And on the actual faucet that you're going to see when you go to install it, you're going to see that there's a rubber gasket, there's a stainless steel sheet, and there is a lock nut. All 3 of these items are located right here on this part of the actual faucet. So when you're installing it, everything's there. You just have to screw it in properly. And this right here, of course, is your deck plate. Now this goes on the actual counter and all of the hoses will be inserted underneath. And this is basically just the base of the faucet to keep it in place. And right here is the gravity ball. Now this gravity ball, one of the hoses is going to go through and it will basically hold down and keep this faucet sturdy when it is connected into your kitchen sink. Now I also wanted to quickly bring your attention to the instruction manual. You put your hose into the sinkhole as seen here. And once you do that, all of those parts that I had mentioned, which is your rubber gasket, the stainless steel sheet, as well as the lock nut, all of those are going to be screwed in with a screwdriver as you see here. And once you're done with that, you're going to insert that gravity ball onto the actual faucet. As you guys can see right here, that gravity ball just going to keep it in place and keep it straight. And once everything is installed, you can go ahead and turn on the kitchen faucet and just make sure that none of the valves on the bottom are leaking at all. If anything's leaking, that means it needs a little bit of a tightening. Once again, I just wanted to thank everybody over at WaterSong for thinking about me and allowing me to do this unboxing. And thanks for sending me this awesome faucet. Now, if you guys are interested in this product, please don't forget, just go ahead and check my description box down below. You'll see the link where you can buy it on Amazon. It's very quick and very simple. And if you guys have Amazon Prime, within 2 days, it'll be at your house. And of course, as you saw, it is easy installation. If all of you lovely people enjoyed this video today and want to see more unboxings, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed yet, and come on over and join the Matthew's Chinese Cooking family. All you'd have to do is click that red subscribe button and the little bell notification icon so this way you never miss out on my newest videos. And of course, drop those comments down below and let me know what you guys would like to see next. I'll see you guys again very soon at one of my awesome recipes or unboxing videos. Until next time, guys.